My customer brought this phone to me this morning and she told me that this phone is not on. So I asked her what causes the problem. What was the thing that happened before this phone stopped on? She said that this phone enter water. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this issue in just a minute. Just watch this video. Don't skip, don't go anywhere. Sit down, relax and watch this video. To fix this issue, first of all, you need a phone panel holder. Make sure you clip your phone very well because during this operation, if the panel shakes, it can cause total damage to the phone board. So make sure that you clip your panel very well. Make sure you cover the phone mic with tape before you apply paste to the phone panel. Make sure you apply paste to the whole phone panel. Turn on your hot air machine. Now start the work. Make sure you blow everything on the phone. Make sure you take your time to do this. Blow the panel very well. Then remove the heatsink. It is very important you remove the heatsink because the water might be either under the IC or somewhere inside the heatsink. After you have successfully removed the heatsink, please make sure you take your time to clean the phone panel with chemical. It is very important. Take your time to clean it. Please, engineers, do this so that the chemical will clean all leftover water inside the phone. Apply paste and start heating the panel again. Yes, it is very important. Yes, the reason why I need you to apply paste so that the paste will remove all leftover water. During this process, you have to be very careful. If not, you will spoil the phone. So make sure you use the normal heating temperature. Guys, I hope you know the normal heating temperature. If you do not know the normal heating temperature, let me know in the comment section so that I can help you. Guys, you must be very careful here. You must be very careful so that you will not spoil the IC. After you're done heating up the IC, the next thing is for you to clean it with chemical. Please take your time to clean the phone panel with chemical. So we are done and I'm going to test the phone live here for you to see if it works. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section before I show you the phone. Right here you can see I'm done. So I want to put battery now to test the phone for you guys to see whether it works. If you're watching me for the first time, please don't forget to follow me, comment, like and share so that you'll be seeing all my videos. I have a lot of videos on this page. So let me put battery now for you to see. Yeah, let's go. Guys, let's go. Okay, let me power on the phone now for you to see. Yeah, okay, let's go. 1, 2, ready, here we go. Boom, come up. Wow, guys, you can see. Can you see right now we have Nokia? Yes, the phone is fully working now. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Yes, I'm going to reply you. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have any problem, let me know. Please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. God bless you. Guys, bye bye for now. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.